Well, Proline. I'd say this is a big embarrassment to you guys. MX 57s tore up like plastic trash bags. Look at that. I mean, really? What are these rated for? 3S? Come on, people. They're supposed to be belted. They're supposed to be able to handle a lot of power. And my Rovan 12S buggy annihilates them in a matter of seconds. Heck, these wouldn't even hold up on my Traxxas XRT 8S. The beads kept coming unglued over and over and over. So I said, why not? Just throw it on 12S. See if it lasts one rip down the street. And sure enough, it didn't. Wow. Okay, so I did have some carnage. Don't know how this happened, but when this tire blew up so violently and this tire came unglued, it slammed the nose of the buggy down, as you can see in the video, and my screws pulled out of the hub here. So I lost these screws and these shims. They just pulled out. Luckily I have parts because 30 Degree North is a direct fit for this hub. I do have the screws as well, I think. The only thing I'm bummed on is the bushings. Maybe I have some. The arm is fine. This buggy's built tough. The shock is fine. I did have to almost melt this wheel to get it off. It was horrible. I had to burn it with a torch, and Proline, you're just, I don't know. Luckily, I had some 30 Degree North parts and was able to fix this beast. Put the Rovan tires back on.